Want to know how to change your graphics quality in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends application. So we have also created a video on how to install and sign in or open up a Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, in order to change your graphics on the top left side, you should be seeing your profile right here or your avatar. Just simply select that. And now once you have figured the avatar on the leftmost side, you should be seeing this menu right here. This simply select options. So now once you have figured options, here you should be seeing various options like here you should be seeing graphic quality. Just simply change it to anything that you like. If you want a better performance, just simply select low, and if you want quality, just simply select ultra. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.